Max.
No, put it in front of Mommy.
It's a walkie-talkie. Look, Max, it's a walkie-talkie.
Come here, Max. Let's see if he can get the blackberry.
The blackberry? What's a blackberry?
This is a blackberry. Come here, Bubba. Come and get it. Hey, Jack, can you tell the camera what's today?
I don't know.
Max's
It's Max's
first
crawling class.
Max's first crawling class. Here he comes.
His feet are coming out of the feet of the pajamas.
Come on, Max, you can do it.
He did it! Yay!
Papi, let him have it. All right, let's see if he can get over there.
He will. He's so...
All right, Bubba, can you get to that?
Mommy, I want my food to get poo books.
Okay.
Stop!
Okay, why don't you go get him? You can do it, Max.
Tata, I want my food to get poo books.
Go, Max, go. Go, Max. Good job. You did it. Victory is sweet, huh?
Mommy, look at that beautiful book. This one's Thomas.
Do you want to show me what the books are?
Mommy, do you know what this one is?
Who's that?
Look in the bottom.
Do you know what her name is?
No.
It's the Little Mermaid.
Here's to me.
Okay, what's the next one?
This one is Thomas. And what's this one?
Baby Farm Animals.
Baby from Ambrose. Nemo. What's this one?
Cinderella.
Cinderella. What's this one?
Snow White.
Okay. And what's this one?
Another Snow White.
Okay. And what's this one?
The Pokey Little Puppy.
The Pokey Little Puppy.
Can you
Mommy,
say good morning?
Good morning. Mommy, read this one to me.
Bubba's
Read
still
it to
eating
me.
the blackberry. Bubba. Hey, Max.
Mommy,